What's up everybody, this is YouTubeKeN. I'm back with another video. I just wanted to post a quick video about my update of getting my Tesla Model 3. And as you can see my face, I'm about to get it. Alright, I'm gonna be serious. I'll give you the whole backstory. Let me look here. I ordered my vehicle on October the 6th. It was the old 2020 version before all the pictures start coming and all of that you have seen on YouTube. So basically what happened is I got a VIN on October 13th, a week later. So I reassigned that VIN number to someone else and I went back in the queue. You can check my video. It should be up here somewhere. So after I reassigned that VIN, I basically went to my Tesla account. I reconfigured the car where it showed the updated Tesla Model 3 that you all are seeing right now. So that put me on the waiting period right there. So I got all my financing done, all of that stuff done. That's pretty much out of the way, right? Okay. So around November 10th, I got another text message that says we are expecting your delivery in 3 to 6 weeks. So I'm like, man, I thought I would probably get it in November, but that didn't happen. You got to be patient, everybody. So then on November 25th, I got another text message that basically said, your Model 3 will be ready in 2 to 5 weeks. So I'm like, it went from 3 to 6 to 2 to 5. So I'm like, yeah, this is going to be a December car, basically. So after all that time, last week, I'm not kidding you, I had 3 dreams, 3 days straight about getting my VIN. Freaking out, right? Freaking out. So don't be like me. Don't be like me. So fast forward to Thursday the 17th. I had my last dream about getting the VIN number, right? So I woke up, checked my Tesla account, and there it went. Shortly, I got a text message that says, your VIN has been assigned. I got an email. It told me to make sure I fill out everything. So make sure I fill out, do my down payment, all of that stuff to complete it. Which I'm really not going to do that. I'm going to do a cashier's check to my down payment. I'm going to take it up there because I definitely want to look over the car. I mean, they're pulling out these cars trying to get that $500K, right? I'll take that up there with the finance check, all of that. I'll have that ready to go. So I'm very excited. I've been waiting this dang long for, all I need is a VIN number. I live on the southwest coast, so I'm next door to California. So I know from the first VIN that I got, the car gets there very, very fast. Probably less than a week. So what I did, I clicked on the link of the text message and scheduled my date. So I scheduled it for Monday, the 21st. I mean, I can't believe I'm going to have my Tesla in my hands on Monday. So that ain't all of it. Set my delivery date, Monday the 21st. And like I told you earlier, they deliver the cars really fast to my state where I live. I got a text message on Saturday morning. I'll tell you verbatim. At 12:03 p.m., your Tesla has arrived and is available for delivery as soon as today, if not tomorrow. Please give us a call back. Option 4 to discuss pulling forward the appointment. I live about 2.5 hours from there. I already have lodging set up. I set up my appointment to get my tent, to get my ceramic coating, to get PPF. So I'm not going to do that. I've waited this long to get this car. I can wait another day or two, right? So basically, I needed to update everybody. You should start seeing more videos of me outside, probably in the car, showing you something. If y'all have any questions, I can probably answer them because I'll be a Tesla owner. So I'm really excited. I don't know what else to say. I'm really, really, really excited. But I will tell you this. I've waited so long to get this car, and it ain't been that long, but I've waited so long to get this car, it kind of ruined the excitement for me. I'm not as excited as I was when I first ordered the car. Not everybody's situation is going to be like mine. You can order your Tesla in January and probably get it in 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know. I'm not an expert. You'll see me soon. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get a conversation going. I will provide my Tesla link. It'll probably be down here, and it'll definitely be in the description as well. This is YouTubeKeN. I'll see you very soon.